She loves that little bar.
Her birthday's at that bar.
Yeah.
Desperate Annie's.
No.
Which one?
Wicked. I heard good things about Desperate Annie's though.
Wicked what?
Wicked is the one that's close by her house.
Oh, I thought you meant the one that we went to with her.
No.
Because I think that was Desperate Annie's.
I heard Desperate Annie's has good live like indie rock bands. On Mondays. Oh my god. I'm dying. Where are my allergy meds? Allergies.
Who should I play?
I don't know what you are.
A damage.
Damage. Oh fuck. I can't think of anything. Play May.
You made me play May last time. Pick
Okay.
someone else.
Play Hanzo.
Hans.
Ah! Oh my god, I feel like I got punched in the face. I'm so fucked. Oh my god, that's amazing. I just needed to be a cat. I was meant to be a cat.
I was meant to be a cat. I'm a cat. I'm a kitty cat.
Meow, 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 meow. Ah, we killed the cat. We killed the cat. Oh. He got no nipples. What? You know the difference? You know what made that difference, Bear?
You were a cat, babe.
I was a cat.